The financial landscape of 2026 has changed. Traditional 9-to-5 jobs are no longer enough to guarantee freedom. But while most people fear AI, a small group of creators is using it to build automated income streams that work 24/7. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the 3 most practical ways you can start building passive income using artificial intelligence right now. No gatekeeping, just the facts. Strategy number 1. The AI Content Repurposing Agency. Every brand, podcaster, and CEO has hours of long-form video that is sitting wasted. Your job is to use AI tools like OpusClip or vidIQ to extract the most viral moments and turn them into vertical shorts and reels. The secret? You aren't selling editing, you are selling reach. A single client can pay you $500 to $2,000 a month to manage their short-form presence, and with AI, you can do a month's worth of work in a single afternoon. Strategy number 2. AI-powered digital publishing. Platforms like Amazon, KDP, and Etsy are booming. You can use advanced AI to generate children's books, specialized planners, or even technical guides. Use Midjourney for the visuals and ChatGPT-5 for the structuring. The key is finding micro-niches, topics that people are searching for but no one is writing about. Once your book or digital product is live, it generates sales while you sleep. This is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it business model. Strategy number 3. Faceless educational channels. Just like this channel, you can create massive value without ever showing your face. By combining AI voiceovers with high-quality stock footage from Pictory, you can teach anything from finance to history. Advertisers pay a premium for educational content in the finance niche. Once you hit the YouTube Partner Program, your videos become digital assets that pay you every single month through ad revenue and affiliate links. The difference between those who succeed in 2026 and those who stay stuck is execution. The tools are free. The information is here. The only thing missing is your action. I've linked the tools mentioned in the description below to help you get started. If you want to master the 2026 economy, subscribe to Wealth Blueprint. Let's build your future step by step.